In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the name in Outlook Mail. If you've ever wanted your emails to show a corrected spelling, a new last name, or a more professional display, this quick update in Outlook will do the trick. We're changing the display name, the friendly name that recipients see in their inbox, not your email address. Start by opening the Outlook desktop app on your computer. Once Outlook is up, look to the very top left corner and click File. This opens the Backstage view where all your account related controls live. From here, find Account Settings and then choose Account Settings again from the drop down. This brings up a window listing all the email accounts that are currently set up in your Outlook. In that list, select the specific email account where you want to change the display name. If you have multiple accounts, make sure you highlight the right one so you don't update the wrong mailbox. With the account selected, click Change. This opens the settings for that account, and this is where the display name lives. Look for the field labeled Your Name. This is the exact text that appears to your recipients as the sender. Type in the new name you want people to see, keep it clear and professional, using proper capitalization, and avoiding special characters or emojis that might not render well across different email apps. If you're representing a team or a role, something like customer support or Jane Doe Finance can be helpful, but keep it concise so it displays cleanly on mobile devices. It's worth noting that this update doesn't change your email address, your login, or the name of your Microsoft account. It only affects the display name that shows up when your messages arrive. After you've entered the name exactly how you want it, click Save. Outlook will apply the change, and the new name will be used the next time you send an email. In some cases, recipients' apps may cache old sender details, so it can take a little time before everyone sees the update consistently. A couple of quick tips: if you're using a work or school account managed by an organization, the display name might be controlled by your IT admin, and the field could be locked or overridden by your directory settings. For personaloutlook.com or similar accounts, you should typically have full control right here in Outlook. That's it. By opening Outlook, going to File, heading into Account Settings, selecting the right account, choosing Change, updating the Your Name field and clicking Save, you've polished how your emails appear to others.